Advantage yan.
Meron ribbon cutting pala to? Eme? O, sino ang kasama ko? My friends! Mr. President! Yes, Mr. President! Ito.
Hindi ako nakahawak.
Yeah, Carl. Okay, ha? Para totoo, ha?
Okay.
Oh. Smile. Okay. Alright. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Buhay. Okay, ito pong media center talagang nagawa rin natin to because we're hosting WTA and we really want to improve. You meet here every week eh. So dapat lang pagandahin natin and I'm very excited to showcase this to everyone. This is the gift of PSC to the Philippine Sports Writers Association. Dahil magkasama tayo sa trabaho, magkasama tayo sa lungkot, magkasama tayo sa tagumpay. Ano ba naman na in our own little way, mapakita namin sa inyo yung, para rin sa inyo to. Diba? It's for you to use, it's for you to enjoy, it's for you to be proud of. Because you deserve this. So, pasok po tayo.